Newsela. I heard about this from another teacher in my building. My students don't always enjoy reading and they get bored easily. Newsela is kind of a fun way to work on reading and language skills. Um, it gives you articles that the students can read. So instead of reading a story from your reading book that week, you may assign different articles for them to read. So it's grouped by category. So if you want to do that with science, you can easily integrate it into the different subjects. But also, if you wanted, you could search specific topics. So President's Day, you could have searched George Washington. And then there are several different articles that you can choose. You can narrow it down by text level and even reading skill. So this is a really great way to incorporate reading into your classroom and give students different texts that are nonfiction. Another nice feature with Newsela is the fact that you can assign different things for them to read. So when you find an article and you think that, these 6 students would like this, then you can just click on it. You can quick assign it to whoever you need to, and then they can read it. I believe also that with each text that the student read, there are also questions that they answer with it. So here's an example text that the students would read. And then when they get to the end, I believe there are some activities that they could do if you wanted. Let's see what the activities are. So they could write or they could take a quiz. So Newsela, great resource for reading and also language.